Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa city ng Adelaide. Daan lang kami dito. Punta kami sa kabilang side. Keyboard. Yeah. People are walking. You didn't see people here with umbrella.
The one down there.
Yeah, or yeah, Wakefield Street. Yeah. Yeah.